Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this animated outline text animation on CapCut PC. So grab your text and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in the number 87 because why not? And then I'm also going to scroll. Actually I'm just going to leave it like this. You can also like pick a color first for the text. And you're just going to copy and paste that, and you're going to select this preset style, scroll down, and then adjust the thickness of the stroke. And I'm going to place it on the right side. Okay, I'm like trying to figure out what thickness I want this to be. Then I'm just going to, select some colors for like the stroke. You can choose as many as you want. And like move it to the right side, and again change the color. I'm just going to alternate between these. Well, actually let's not do that, because then this will be, where is this? Okay, and I'm just going to copy and paste that again. I'm going to choose like a different color. Okay. And I'll choose like one more color. There we go. Select everything one by one and just select create compound clip. Except for the first one, you don't need to do that. And go to each one and select the screen. Oh, actually, select the screen one. Okay, I might need to change this color because it's not showing up. There we go. And once you're done, you're just going to select each, and you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and then like in the middle kind of, you're going to want to like put it on the number, and you're going to do that for all of the like numbers here. So gosh, sometimes the keyframes don't add. So here, I'm going to move that on top of the number, and then here as well. On top of the number, and we got this last one. Like so. And that's basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!